Roofing products unboxing episode 1. We've got a brand new product that's literally turned up by carrier today. It's the new Sievert DW3000 110 volt hot air welding gun, complete with accessory kit, which makes it great value for money. Now, I haven't opened this up before, so we're just going to spin it round. It comes in a nice robust case with a couple of quite secure clasps on them. We'll just prop that up at the back so that you can see what happens when we open the box. And obviously the star of the show is obviously the Sievert gun itself, which has got a digital readout, digital controls. It's absolutely fantastic. It's also obviously 110 volt, and there's the nice bright yellow connector that goes onto your 110 volt converter box. And obviously there's some great information at the back telling you all some technical details and how things work on the actual gun, the voltage readout, stuff like that. It's fantastic. Now, what makes this great value for money is the accessory kit that comes complete with it. We've got the 40mm wide nozzle spout, which is an attachment that goes straight on the end of the gun, as does the slightly narrower 20mm nozzle tip, both Sievert branded. We've also got some other Sievert branded accessories to go with it. A 28mm seam roller and a 45mm seam roller. And that's not everything just yet. We've got, again, really well made precision penny roller from Sievert. That's a good chunky hefty bit of kit. And obviously quite important when you've done your seam welds is to have a nice probe to pull that down the joints. Absolutely fantastic. What we're going to do now is let you know what fantastic offer we've got on this gun just for you guys, which is 442 plus VAT. That's not just for the gun, that's for the whole kit, including the 2 seam rollers, the penny roller, the probe, and of course the fantastic DW3000 110 volt gun in this lovely case as well. It's a fantastic gun, it's well tried and tested. Sievert, a fantastic name, and we're really proud to have this on board with us, which is available online or in store at jjroofingsupplies.co.uk, because if it's on the roof, we stock it.